We're looking at vocab energizers 2, starting with chapter 1. I've highlighted a few things that stood out to me, but you need to pause it between each word so that you can go through and read it on your own as well. So your first word is Achilles' heel. It's a noun meaning weak point. It comes from the name of the mightiest warrior in the Iliad, Achilles. When he was a boy, his mom dipped him in the river Styx so that his body would be made invulnerable by the sacred water, but she did not dip his heel because she was holding him there, and that became his one weak spot. Number 2 is stentorian, adjective, very loud. It also comes from the name of someone, Stentor, the Greek herald or announcer of news in the Trojan War. His voice was as loud as the combined shouts of 50 men. Number 3 is mnemonic. You can use it as an adjective or actually as a noun, as you can see right here. And it also comes from someone's name. Zeus lay with the goddess of memory, and she gave birth to the Muses, and the Muses passed down their knowledge orally, so they depended upon memory as well. This is an eponym. Actually, all 3 of these words are eponyms, which means upon a name or that the word is taken from the name of someone. Number 4 is fathom. It is a verb. Understand, figure out, penetrate the meaning of. Our word fathom derives from Old English, measure of the length of an outstretched arm. Also, the nautical term fathom is a measurement of 6 feet. Number 5 is serendipity. It comes from a novelist who based the word upon a Persian fairy tale about the 3 princes of Serendip, and in it, the 3 heroes always made discoveries of things that they were not in quest of. Today we use it to mean a lucky accident, and you can also use the adjective form of the word. Desultory is an adjective as well, random, unmethodical, aimless. It comes from the Latin for these ancient Roman acrobats who would leap off of one horse onto another. Today, anyone who jumps from topic to topic is said to be speaking in a desultory manner. The adverb form you can see here is desultorily, or you could use the noun form here as well. Number 7 is pariah. It's a noun meaning social outcast, and it actually comes from the caste system. And the people who are the pariahs, or the, here we go, pariah, they became the class of lowly field hands. So it's someone who is an outcast today. Number 8 is tawdry. It can mean showy and cheap. It can also mean sleazy. And it comes from a lady who loved to wear jewelry and lace and things like that. And they called the things that she wore St. Audrey's laces. And then it was shortened later to tawdry lace. And then we have the word tawdry today. Number 9 and 10 go together. Adjective, pecuniary, relating to money. Impecunious is also an adjective, meaning having little or no money or being poor. So it comes from barter and trade societies. The word picu is the Latin word for cattle or farm animals, and that's what people would use for their currency. So that's why the word picu is in both of these words. All right, be sure that you look at your word part 3. Ruler is going to be your root, and it means architect. And patriarchs at the top there. So please be sure to look over those 5. You will be responsible for all 15 words on your first vocab quiz, and you will write meaningful sentences for the first chapter. After that, it's optional, but I would encourage you to do so because it will help your overall quiz grade in the long run, because you get extra points for however many you write.